Sandra, where are we going?
That's why your hands is on the camera.
Where are we going?
Oh my God.
We're going to Seafood City.
Is Ate C?
Hi. I am doing it, Sandra. Do you want to go to
Sit.
Seafood?
Sit.
You want to go to Seafood City?
Sandra, sit down. Sandra, look at me. Sandra! Sit down, Sanding. Sit down. Ay, hindi. Iiwanan pala natin to, no?
Mababa pa rin ba ako?
Eh,
Nandito na ako?
eh ikaw.
Dito na ako. Parang may kasama-sama na.
Sanding? Ayaw mo po ng... Sandra, sit down. Sige, sige, sige. Mauntog ka na, masubsob ka doon. What do you see outside, Sanding? I can see something. Tsura niya. Magsubsob talaga pa nagtreno kanyan dati. Ayan, 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 ayan. Sige, ayan. Ayaw niya talaga umupo eh. Oh. Hello mga momshi. Look at my doggy.
Sit down.
Stop. Sige, pag umandar yan, taxi ka na uli. We're going to Seafood City, Sandra. Do you know Seafood City? Huh? There's a lot of Filipino foods there. Oh my God, you're gonna love there. But you're not allowed. Hindi ka pwedeng pumasok. Pasensya na. Seafood City with Jollibee. Oh no, you want a Jollibee?
There it is.
Seafood City?
I missed that
Yay!
part.
Where's Seafood City?
I missed that part.
Seafood City. Yay, we're here. Yan, magpupunta po kami sa Seafood City kasi magpapaprito po kami ng tilapia.